If you want to create graphics faster and smarter, AI features inside Adobe Illustrator can generate artwork, recolor designs, and enhance your workflow. So open the Illustrator and you can just create or open a new document. And then you go to Window, Text to Vector, and Graphic, or look for AI features in the Properties panel. These tools are powered by built-in generative AI. And then select the text to vector graphic, type a prompt, for example, like modern logo icon or cartoon cloud illustration, and then just click generate. So Illustrator instantly creates editable vector artwork. As you can see on the video, there's a button for generate. And then select your artwork, click recolor and generative recolor. Describe a palette like neon cyberpunk colors or pastel tones. The AI automatically adjusts your colors. AI results are fully editable. You can change shapes, adjust anchor points, or modify layers just like normal vector art. And this means that AI speeds up creation, but you still control the design. So when finished, you just go to File and Export, and choose formats like PNG, SVG, or PDF depending on your project. And that's how you use AI tools in Illustrator to generate graphics, recolor designs, and speed up your creative workflow. Enjoy this video, guys. If it helped, don't forget to press like on it. See you soon.